Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning. Children, as you all know, yesterday we have done which topic yesterday we have done?
Addition and subtraction.
Addition and
Ariman,
subtraction.
turn
Yes,
on your
ma'am.
camera. Turn on
Okay,
your
ma'am.
camera, addition. Ariman. So we have done addition and subtraction of decimals.
Decimal.
Yes. So today we are going to do the word problem based on addition and subtraction of decimals. Take out your notebook, write today's date, write the heading word problems. Word problems are the story problems where the stories are there. You need to understand whether you need to do the addition or subtraction. Right, question 1. Ashu.
Ma'am, we have to write question also or only answer?
Yes, no question also.
Okay.
Ashu bought a book for rupees 43.95 and a notebook for rupees 17.55. How much money did he spend? How here's the full stop. No, after 17.55 there is a full stop. Then how much money did he spend? So this is the word problem for addition or the subtraction. Priya, you have joined late, my dear.
Addition, ma'am.
Daksh Patel late. This is the word problem of addition. Daksh Patel, start writing in your notebook now. And there,
Okay.
please mute your mic.
Oh, ma'am,
Yes.
from one day, one device you can see me, and from one device you can hear me. Because
Okay.
in this device, I will not be able to be visible.
Okay, no
And from
problem.
other device, my mic is not on.
Got it. Anshu bought a book for rupees 43.95 and a notebook for rupees 17.55. How much money did he spend?
Ma'am, can I hear this answer?
What are, first of all, tell me which operation we will apply here.
Ma'am, we will write
Addition.
Anshu bought a
And
book for this, rupees 43.95. Then
hmm,
Anshu bought notebook for rupees
hmm,
17.55
five,
and then
hmm.
have to add it.
Yes. So first you write this, then I will tell you how to write the statement. First write the question fast.
Ma'am, we have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
write the statement. We have to write the statement like this.
Can you read it for me?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Let her Khevna read the statement first. Yes, Khevna.
Yes, ma'am. Ashu bought a book. 93.95. Ash
43.95.
43.95. Ashu bought a notebook 17.55. Addition 61.50. Total money spent.
Okay. So this question is done, copied. Yes, Twisha, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Copy.
can I see the
Yes,
answer?
ma'am.
Answer first when I
No,
will do this,
ma'am.
then you please tell me the
Ma'am,
answer.
just 1 minute.
Giving you a 1 minute more time to write down the question. Yes, Arna Agarwal, any doubt?
No, ma'am, I was just raising the hand for the answer.
For answer. Answer I'm not
Okay,
asking
ma'am.
right now. First, please copy down the
Little
question.
bit far. Yes, clear.
Ma'am, I've copied.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am,
Done?
can we write the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
In chat box.
Yeah, if you know the answer, write in the chat box.
Side.
If you know the answer, please.
Isn't available.
Ma'am, chat has
Chat
been
is unable. Okay, let me open this. Now it's open. And lower down your hand, Trisha. Let me take the attendance, and at the last again I will take the attendance. I think I no need to remind you again and again. Children, if you only write 61.50, then your answer will be wrong. If you don't write the unit along with it, I will not give you marks. Which unit you will use here now? Those who are writing 61.
Ma'am, rupees.
Ma'am, but
Yes.
there's no sign of
Rupees.
rupees on the keyboard.
You can write
use the
RS.
dollars one?
Yes, no dollar, RS.
RS.
Ma'am,
Yes.
no doubt. It is how will the decimals be used in real life? I didn't understand because now we don't use cents. So how will be they used?
Then in the
Cents
real life,
is in America.
yes. And here are the pesas. If we are not using pesa, we are doing the round of it. Okay. What happened? Round off means. And nowadays, if you have noticed, the people are paying from the Paytm, Google Pay, and all these applications they are using for the payment. When you are doing with the applications or the credit cards or debit cards, if you are doing the payment, then if there is 61.50, then also from your account they will cut only 61.50. That is the reason nowadays this digital payment has started. Got it? Because we don't have money to in the pesas. So otherwise if you pay in cash, then in place of 50 paisa you have to pay 1 rupee, or either the shopkeeper will release you the 50 paisa. This happen or not, Ayush?
Yes,
ma'am.
See, sit straight. I want to see your face, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
This happen, no? Either या तो वो छोड़ देता है शॉपकीपर, 50 पैसा नहीं लेता है, either आपको उसको 1 रुपी देने पड़ते हैं राउंड ऑफ में, right?
51.
But if that is the reason to avoid the confusion between the shopkeeper and between you, so the digital system has been started.
Okay.
That is why many of the people are paying with the debit card, they're paying with the Google Pay, they're paying with the Paytm. And when you pay with a digital device, then it will cut only 50 paisa. When you go to DMart, no, if your bill is 91.50, it will cut, they will cut only 91.50. They are not allowed to cut 92. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Can I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is there more?
Okay.
Yeah, more. This is one only we have started just. So you can write book cost statement. When you make it in your words, it's okay. Mute your mic. Someone mic is on. There, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I'm at the last statement.
No problem.
May I say the last statement?
No, let me first write.
Cost of book.
So there are rupees and paisa because decimal is there. Book cost rupees 43.95 paisa 95, and the notebook cost 17.55. Now when you add this, you are going to put a decimal. 5 plus 5 is 10.
Ma'am, 61.50.
5, 7, 10, 11, 4, 5, 61 point. So you write rupees 61.50.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ma'am, can I say my statement?
Wait,
Ma'am,
Yes, ask me.
Ma'am,
You
the
said I have a
doubt
doubt.
is
Yes,
Ariman.
Ariman.
Ma'am, what is the difference between rupees and paisa?
You don't know what is the difference between rupees and paisa?
Ma'am, I forgot.
Rupees, when 100 paisa, then it will convert it into the 1 rupee. Until
Okay, ma'am.
less than 100, it will be in the paisa.
Ma'am.
Got it, Aryaman?
Yes, ma'am.
And children, please note here why I am not writing paisa at the back, because I am putting the decimal. So when I am putting the decimal, it is understood that it is rupees 61.50 paisa. So that is the reason I am not writing the paisa at the back. Yes, please, Ekal, tell me the last statement.
Thus, Ashu spent rupees 61.50.
Thus, Ashu spent rupees 61.50.
Ma'am, can I say like that? The total amount he spent is 61.50.
Rupees 61. Read the rupees first. You don't write the rupees at the back. This also please note. So whenever we are writing rupees first, so read the rupees at the first. Rupees 61.50. This is clear to you all?
Ma'am, could I like amount for book and amount for notebook in my own book?
That yes, right.
Ma'am, can you give question 2?
Ma'am, the answer will be 61.50 rupee, 61.50 na? 61.50. And ma'am, can I write the money cost of total money Ashu spent?
Yes, right. The Rudra, please mute yourself. Can I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I give you the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the next question we have to do it by own now.
Yes.
Okay.
Sarah, she's a girl. She drank 0.35 liter of a milk in the morning. Sarah drank 0.35 liter of a milk in the morning and 0.25 liter at night. How much milk did she drink during the day? Mohit, turn on your camera, please. During the day. Yes, Trisha.
And the answer?
Ma'am,
No,
can
no.
I say what will be the addition or subtraction?
Yes.
Ma'am, it will
Ma'am,
be
it will be addition.
yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes,
Ma'am,
it
can I
will be
try
addition.
And can I say the answer? 60 liter.
Yes, ma'am. 60 liter.
0.60 liter.
0.60 liter. You cannot say 60 liter. It is not 60 liter. You know, 1 liter say we come here.
Ma'am, it's 60 milliliter.
So you can say 0.6 liter also.
Ma'am, it is
0.60.
0 liter. Ma'am, we will have to say 0.60 liter.
Yes.
0.6 liter or 60 milliliter.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have read in the chat book. Can you see?
Yes, I have checked. Right, Aryaman.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, even my answer is correct.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you say mine? See mine?
Hmm. Children, I'm not giving you the statement in this. You need to write the statement.
Ma'am, can you
That's
see
good.
mine?
Yes, yes. You need to write the statement. And the answer I told you it is right. Are you all doing?
Yes.
Any confusion to any child?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, if you gave a Google form, then in that also we will write the whole statement or we will just write the answer.
No, you need to write at least one statement, the final statement.
So, ma'am, in this
Last.
session, I can read the final statement that Sarah drank
No, here you cannot write the final, only final
Wait.
statement.
in the
Here it is compulsory to write all the three. In the Google form, depend on the space you will be provided. If you have enough space, then you write all the three statement. If you have one line space, write the final statement which is compulsory to write. Clear, Dharya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I move to the next? Do it fast.
Ma'am, can you start, please? Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you please show the question?
Ma'am.
Done,
No, ma'am.
everyone? Yes, Trisha, good.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, the first line could be amount of milk Sarah drink in the morning. ये सही है? Is it right?
Amount word will not come. You say milk drank in the morning, milk drank in the at the night. Got it? Can I move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
ma'am, Sarah drink total. Sarah drink in a day, milk in a day is 0.6.
Ma'am,
Here, statement may vary from child to child, but you start writing the statements now. Daksh Patel, you better go and comb your hairs and go busy with the hairs. Better, है ना? Because you're not doing anything. कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो आप. Daksh Patel, I'm talking to you. Mama is there near to you. बुलाओ.
ma'am, liter and after point it will be milliliter. Am I right?
But we can call it together when you are reading. Either you can say milliliter also or the complete liter. Yes. Daksh Patel.
We can do third one.
Where is he? Daksh Patel, please turn on your mic and camera. I want to talk to you. Yes, I am writing the third one. Ma'am, Daksh कुछ नहीं लिख रहा है क्लास में.
अभी मैंने उसको बोला मैम कुछ लिखा रही है क्या, लेकिन नहीं.
मैम ये बाल बना रहा है एंड बिजी है अपने आप में, कुछ नहीं लिख रहा है.
बोले लेने गया.
ओके मैम, अब मुझे रिब्रब करना होगा क्योंकि आगे बच्चे बढ़ चुके हैं. आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए या फिर कैमरा में फोटो ले लीजिए. रब कर दूं मैम मैं? ओके. Right, Priya had rupees 100 with her. She bought a pen for rupees 44.95. How much money is left with her? What we are going to do in this sum?
Subtraction.
Ma'am, subtraction.
Subtraction, because she was having 100 rupees.
Ma'am, may I say the answer? Ma'am, may I say the answer?
No. Everyone first do. Then I will give them the time. Then I will ask.
Ma'am, I'm writing the answer in the chat
This
box.
is subtraction, na?
Read the question, Samriddhi. Don't learn it whether it is subtraction or whether it is. Read it. She was having 100 rupees. She spent some amount. What is left with her? If you have 10 rupees, you spend 5 rupees. How much is left with you? So what do you have to do in this case? Samriddhi, I'm asking from you. Tusha, lower down your hand because the notification is disturbing me. Yes, Samriddhi. You have 10 rupees with you. You spend 5 rupees. How much is left with you?
5 rupees.
So what you have done here? Which operation you have applied here? Yeah. So read it. Don't learn it.
Ma'am, I'm confusing in the Priya had 100 paisa.
She is not having 100 paisa. She is having 100 rupees. There is a much difference between 100 paisa and 100 rupees. Yes.
And one pen she cost 44 rupees and 95 paisa. But I'm confusing that why do you not apply point and 00?
So you apply, no, beta. If it is given like this, so when you write it, is this visible, this part? Rupees
Yes,
and paisa, make 2 columns and only 100 rupees, nothing in the paisa, write 00. And then write 44 down and write 95. Now subtract it.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we have to write the statement by our own.
Yes.
Ma'am, I think the first we have to make that 95 like fraction.
Here, don't confuse into like and unlike. There are 95 is there, nothing is there in the paisas. Write 2 zeros and then subtract it. Somebody has written the answer which is 56 point something they have written which is wrong. Ekansh, your answer is wrong.
Ma'am, I know the answer. Can I tell?
What is the answer?
Ma'am, the answer.
Kevna.
First, yeah. So it is 55.5. I was going to say.
55.05. If you say 55.5, then you can add zeros at the back. So 500 or 50 bhi banta. Aryaman, wrong. 50 is not the answer. 55.05 is the answer.
5. Yes. Ma'am, because 95. So when we subtract
10 minus 5 is 5. This will become 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. This will become 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. This also become 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. And this becomes 0. And 0 has no value in the beginning. So it is 55.05. Rupees 55.05. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Priya, Anna, Mohit, Gunnar, turn on your camera. Dhairya,
Ma'am,
Daksh
actually
Patel,
the
turn
device
on your
from which you
camera.
were able to see me that got disconnected. So that's why in this device my camera is not working. I told you before.
Okay. मोहित, गुन्नव, आप सो के पढ़ लोगे बच्चा?
Yes, ma'am.
Something game is going on at the back or some story is going on. You are doing something at the back. Please.
Ma'am, it's a voice from
Ma'am, it is 55.05.
Samriddhi, you practically do it and then tell me the answer. You have done it by your own? What you got the answer?
55.05.
Yes, correct. Gunav. Gunav, call your mama.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, everyone? Can I raise it?
No, ma'am.
Lakshya, you need to fast better.
Ma'am, done.
Lakshya, take a screenshot.
Ma'am, I have done.
Where is Daksh Patel?
I'm done.
Daksh Patel, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am. I don't know the answer.
Answer so you have already discussed. Which child is saying don't erase the answer?
Ayush.
Ma'am, answer is 0.
What are you? I didn't even switch on my mic.
Ma'am, Okay.
Khush.
Okay. Reena bought 5 meter of ribbon. She used 1.85 meter to wrap a gift. Children, 1.85 मीटर को हम 1 मीटर 85 सेंटीमीटर भी कह सकते हैं. Are you all clear with this?
Yes.
मैम क्या कह सकते हैं?
1.85 meter can be called as 1 meter 85 centimeter. Point आ गया ना? तो this will be in the meters and this will be in the centimeters.
Ma'am, what you have written after the full stop?
She used she. She used 1.85 meter to wrap a gift. How much?
Little bit darker, the full stop. Little bit darker, please. Now,
Ma'am, so can we write these? Ma'am, can we write like 1 meter and 85 centimeters?
हाँ.
Ma'am, 3.15 meter is left.
Let me write the question. How much ribbon is left with
3.15.
If you know the answer, write in the chat box. So children, make two columns, meter and centimeter. 5 will be in the meter, nothing in the centimeter, 2 zeros will come. 1 in the meter, 85 in the centimeter. Subtract it. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So it is 3 meter 15 centimeter you can say, or 3.15 meter you can say. Both the answers are correct. Guna, the answer in the chat box you have written.
Yes, ma'am. Second one.
Ma'am, can you remove your hand? I can't see.
Done.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
is writing 5 in the answer?
Ma'am, just a minute. Don't erase.
I mistakenly written 155.
Ma'am, it is my right answer.
Again, I'm telling you, I will mark the attendance of the students who will stay till the last. I can see there are 4 students who left the class. And Mohit, Vedi, Dharya, why your camera is off?
Ma'am, I'm writing.
So, you will write with the camera off, Vedi. Turn on your camera, please. Everyone is
Ma'am, you
writing.
can erase now.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, don't.
So, this is the last.
Ma'am, 1 second.
This is the last. Then I will present my screen and show you the worksheet which I am going to send you today based on the word problems. Those who are writing, they continue write. And those who have done, I am going to present them the screen. Please check the screen. And those who are writing, they please pin on my board screen and start writing. And those who have completed, please check. This is the worksheet. Children, please note, till yesterday I have sent you the worksheet 9. Today I am sending you worksheet 11. But worksheet 10 we will do tomorrow. So don't get confused. Okay? This is the worksheet 11 related with addition and subtraction of decimals. The rainfall in a city during the months of July, August, and September are these respectively. Find the total rainfall in 3 months. So what are you going to do here? Rainfall, you all know.
Addition.
Yes, addition.
Addition.
Next is Mike walked. Mike is a boy. Walked 14.5 kilometer on Monday, 12.75 kilometer on Tuesday, and 15.8 kilometer on Wednesday, and 18.6 kilometer on Thursday.
Addition, ma'am.
How many kilometers did Mahesh walk in 4 days?
We have to do addition.
So first of all, you make them like decimals. Then only it is possible for you to add them. Ginny purchased vegetables of rupees 29.75. She paid 100 more note.
Minus,
How much
ma'am,
money
minus.
did she get back?
Fraction.
Yes. A container holds 60.25 liter of water. If 39.7 liter of water are used up, and then how much water
Minus.
is left in the container? 1 kg basmati rice costs 43.75. Find the cost of. Don't do the fifth one. Fifth one, when I will explain you, then we will do. It's related with multiplication.
One is plus.
No. Fifth one is multiplication, because. So don't do fifth one. Do the till
I
4.
have a
Yes.
doubt in the
Yes,
fourth
please.
one.
What doubt you have?
Ma'am, can you please present again?
Yes.
Ma'am, first of all, we will make both the like decimal. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
ma'am, when worksheet will come today, we have to not write fifth one in the worksheet.
No, don't do the fifth one.
Okay, ma'am.
Do till 4. Okay.
By mistake, someone do fifth
Ma'am, can you
one.
submit after doing
What
the
happened,
fourth one?
Rizan?
Ma'am, by mistake, someone write fifth one, so it's okay.
It's okay. If you know the answer, you can do, but it is a multiplication which I will tell you in the next class. It can be done by addition also, because multiplication is a repeated addition. It can be done by addition also, but if you try it, do it. If you're not able to do, I will explain you in the next class.
Ma'am, can you submit after doing the fourth one?
No, better submit it.
Okay, ma'am.
Submit it once you complete all the 4 questions and submit.
Now?
Yes, I have already taken. Now you can leave. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.